Friends, in today's class we are studying family Apocynaceae. Most of the plant belonging to this family are herbs, shrubs and trees. They are having watery latex or milky latex. Watery latex irtada illa milky latex irtada. And coming to inflorescence, it is of cymose kind of inflorescence. Next, coming to the flower. Instead, here what we are seeing, this one is actually the bud. Okay, we'll just concentrate on the flower. We can see the calyx over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 calyx are there. They might be either fused or free. If they are fused, we call them as gamosepalous. If they are free, we call them as polysepalous. Here they are free. Okay, here we can call them as polysepalous. And calyx are not so distinct in this family. They are small, tiny in nature. Coming to the corolla, the next part from the calyx, from starting from here till here, this part is whole the corolla. Corolla illintra hididu, not only this white part is corolla, bare white part antandre confusion agodu beda. Here corolla is fused throughout, even this end is this is a fused corolla. It has fused to form tube, corolla tube. So we call such structure of corolla as salver shaped kind of corolla, or rotate we can also call it. Coming to the corolla, first we shall study the estivation of the corolla. So I'll be taking bud and I'll be showing the estivation. The characteristics feature of this family is presence of gamopetal. Andreno fused petal. You can see corolla how it is fused from here to here in bud condition, and here at tip it is not so fused. So with the help of this tip we are going to see the estivation of the corolla estivation now barkolana. Yeah, I think it is clear for you people now. I'll be writing it on. I'll start with this petal, so I'll be marking on this petal. Yeah, we can get it. While doing the estivation, we'll start with this petal itself. At this end it is outer side. E end horagade ide, you can get to know at this end, and at this end it is towards inner side. So we'll make it out. We'll write it that first. On one end it is outer side, ಈ end ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಈ end ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. See, if this end it is outer side, next to that petal should be towards the inner side. ಇಲ್ಲಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಭಾಗ inner side ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So if this end is inner side, the next followed by petal should be towards the outer side. So we have got one petal completely we have finished with. Other two we know half of. Now next followed by, we'll go with this. We have finished with this. Now next this is toward outer side, and next here it is inner side. ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗದೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. So next side it is inner side. I have marked it this way. If this becomes inner side, followed by that petal will be towards the outer side. We have finished with one petal, two petal, and third petal we are going with. Third petal also, it is toward, this one is towards the outer side and this one is towards the inner side. One, two, three. This one is towards the inner side. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪೆಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಔಟರ್ಗೆ ಇಡೋಣ. Okay friends, now we have finished with the 3. 1 2 3, fourth one is also outer side and inner side. Kantade inner side. So 1 2 3 4, outer side and inner side. By this itself we can get to know it is of twisted type. Fifth one ನೋಡೇ ಬಿಡೋಣ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಔಟರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ದಾಗಿದೆ ಔಟರ್ ಸೈಡ್. In this fashion we got twisted estimation. For corolla friends, we are denoting in floral diagram this fashion. ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ದಾಗ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಾವು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ now what kind of estimation we have got, we'll come to that. See friends, out in out in out in out in out in, this means it is twisted estimation. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಇದು ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ draw this line so that it appears to be gamopetalous condition with twisted estivation. The corolla is going to appear. Next friends, we are going to dissect this corolla tube and we are going to see the anther. Corolla tube dissect ಮಾಡೋಣ, anther ನೋಡೋಣ. Yeah, I will dissect it and I'll place it on slide and show you people. Here the anthers are. ಇಲ್ಲೇ anthers ಇದಾವೆ. Yes, you people are getting. Here the anthers are. So friends, I'll be dissecting and I also got dumbbell shaped stigma over here, very close to the anther. So I'll be placing both stigma style ovary as a carpel as well as anther. I'll be placing it on slide. I'll be focusing in simple microscope and I'll be showing you people. Friends, anthers are 5 in number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yeah, I'll be placing all the 5 over here. One more is here. Okay, 5 in number. They are epipetalous in condition. I'll be placing all 5 anthers. Now you people understood how they are attached to the petals. Petals ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ anthers attach ಆಗಿದಾವ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. Okay, see, very small place, in very small place all 5 anthers have been arranged. Okay friends, I have just removed the corolla tube so that you people are getting stigma, style and ovary here. Okay, this is a stigma, next comes a style and ovary. Ovary is deep within. Again, the characteristic feature of the stigma is double dumbbell shaped stigma is the characteristic feature, and there is presence of pair nectary glands. You can see that one. I'll be showing it now. See, can you see pair? Yeah, stigma and style. I'll be removing it. See, there is presence of pair of nectary glands. Can you see here 2 pairs of nectary glands, white in color? Yeah, this one, this 2, 1 and 2. These are presence of pair nectary glands. I have zoomed it out. You can see very clearly within the calyx how nectary glands are arranged. I have focused it in simple microscope. You can see the pair of nectary glands over here. This one is now dumbbell shaped stigma. You can see it more clearly, dumbbell shaped stigma. Now I have focused entire stigma, style and ovary together. Now I have placed flower. You can just go through that. Here we can see Sagittate anther. How they are epipetalous in nature and how they are arranged. I will just focus one anther. You people can clearly see it in epipetalous condition. Yes, now you people can see more clearly epipetalous condition anther. Yeah, how they have been attached at the petal. And this makes self-pollination. Epipetalous anthers are more distinct now. Focused it in microscope. Five sagittate anthers are again distinguishing character of this family. Presence of sagittate anther. Yes, friends, ovary is now superior with marginal placentation. Fruits are paired follicles. In some plants, it might be drupe or capsule.